All right, I'm back on the orange element. Welcome back. The orange element is here at HQ, which is my house. So I did drive it home from Scott's house. Now the only thing I did take my headlights off of a green element to put on here because I had to drive it, and it was at night. Today what I want to do, I want to take a look at this front bumper, and that support on there right there is gonna have to be replaced. And I have the cover for this. I went to the junkyard this morning and picked up, for some reason it was a blue element, but it had the orange bumper support and the bumper cover, center cover. And then I have that bracket that goes at the end of the fender there. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. There we go. And just a few more screws, and pretty much what I want to try to tackle today. Just straighten out the front bumper here, try to get it looking spiffy, and then I probably want to take a look at the door to see if I could get this down. I wish I could just pop it back out, but I'm not sure if I can without damaging it. I'm gonna try to. If not, if I see one little, if I can't get back there, that's the first thing, then I would just leave it alone and try to, I will have to sand it down and put weld tabs on it and pull it out that way. And if I have enough time, we'll take a look at this back bumper here. It was one there at the junkyard, but it was a different color. It was that blue, so I didn't mess with it. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fix this. The only bad thing is that I probably have to paint it, and that's what I don't want to do. But if I have to paint it, I'm just gonna paint the whole thing black. And also with the front bumper, let me show you on there real quick, because you know we have that damage right here, which I probably can also fix. And what I was thinking about doing is just taping this off here and painting that black. And maybe even somebody put some mesh here, which is good because it helps stop most of the big bugs from hitting the condenser. So I'll probably leave that and maybe just tape it off here all the way over and just paint this whole thing black. If I can fix this, I know I can. I have to heat it up and maybe just push it back in. Body work the whole thing, and it just painted black. So it's gonna be my full goals for today. It's a maybe, because I still need to go back up to Scott's house and get my green element, bring it back. And I got some ideas for a facelift on that. I want to change up some stuff. So, and also, I just got problems. I just got problems. The smart car water pump went out again for the second time. I gotta stop all the street racing, so maybe that'll help not breaking parts. That would be another day. Honestly, I don't really feel like doing it today or tomorrow, or probably even the following, maybe on the following week. Because I still got stuff in the house to do. I have painting and construction there I have to get done, and mostly painting. Everything else is done. So we're going to tackle first is this front bumper, and I need to put a charger on the battery because you know the battery has been sitting for a while, so it was hard to start this morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a charger on that, and let's get that front bumper off. right, so we got the front bumper support off. You can see how bad it's bent. It's bent pretty bad. The condenser is not in good shape. It's a little bent in too, so I might end up having to replace that as well. They're not too expensive. I will put the link from my Amazon store down below, and also this part here, it's not too bad, but it is some flaking of the paint from me bending it back. So what I want to do is just hit that with a little primer, so it won't rust too bad all down here, because all this paint is flickering off, and I just don't want it to rust. So I'm just gonna lightly spray some primer on there. And I also got the clips for this, so let me show you that real quick, which is these here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I will put a link down below for replacing these. So let's see here. Let's take a look real quick, because I actually haven't even looked at them, and they probably not even the right ones. Yeah, these don't look the right ones, but this is the original one here, the square back to it, and this one is totally different. But I wonder if it'll fit a lot better. Let's take a look. Alright, so no, they won't fit. The reason being because if you can see there, it's a little flat line. The other one's totally round, and these go only one way and they slide in. So yeah, I got the wrong ones. Of course, Amazon, thank you. So I'm just gonna put this one back in. Hopefully it'll hold it, so I could get the bumper back on. All right, so I'm gonna try to heat this up and some kind of way flatten it out. Now I have this, but this is not what it's designed for. Some of you know what this is for, when you're welding and you need to hold it from the back with two pieces of metal, so this won't weld, won't stick to copper. So I'm gonna try to heat this up and maybe push it in or something. Let's see what we can do here. it's been a long for you guys. It's just been a minute, but for me, it's probably been like about like an hour, 2 hours. So I got the bumper completed. I put the lower bumper on. I still need to put the clips in, and I went on ahead and touched up a few things, like the silver and everything. And you're gonna see what my idea when I was to fix the bumper. I didn't spend quality time on it. I just a quick job because I don't want to put too much time in this car. So because more time I put in it, the more expensive it's gonna get. So I'd rather not do that. So if I could keep it, you know, cheap as possible, but make sure it still look nice. So let's go ahead and install the front bumper. All right, so that's pretty much it on the Element. I got everything that I think I needed to be done. Not 100% sure, but it turned out pretty good. I'm kind of impressed at how good it came out. Even though, I mean, that part, you know, right there, it looks a little suspicious. But as long as I got the center part in there, the center, and you notice that the grill and the lower bumper cover, center lower bumper cover is a little bright there, because I went on ahead and painted it silver, aluminum, and that's it. And I put some plastic treatment on there to, you know, make sure everything looks nice and neat. Make sure it's all clean. But that's pretty much it. I'm tired. I didn't get to the door like I said I was gonna do, and I didn't get to the back bumper because this just took up so much time, because I want to make sure that it's 100% in there. So until then, please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.